Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: a Twitch channel and a 7TV account. Once logged into both, link them in 7TV settings so permissions propagate. Then, go to Twitch Creator Dashboard and open Extensions. Search 7TV and click Install. Make sure to choose the extension slot for overlay or panel because placement changes viewer interaction. Also prepare the images and emote files now. Sizes and formats matter, so you can upload without interrupting the flow. Once done linking, you upload emotes and configure categories inside 7TV. You must follow size guidelines: 112 x 112, 56 x 56, 28 x 28, and choose static or animated formats. This avoids rejections. Next, assign emotes to slots: subscribers, followers, or global, depending on access control, and set names carefully because viewers type them exactly. After assigning, enable the 7TV extension on Twitch, grant any final permissions, and use the extension test mode to Now you finalize by testing emotes during a private stream or in developer mode. Open chat and trigger several emotes to confirm they render and animate correctly. If things go wrong, first clear browser cache and relog into both Twitch and 7TV, then verify extension placement and permission scopes. If emotes still fail, relink the accounts or re-upload the files, because corrupted uploads are common. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Check browser console or 7TV logs to pinpoint permission.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.